Okay, with your flat brush, you're going to start by grabbing some blue paint and a little bit of white paint, and back and forth motions, just going around your truck. You're going to paint the background. With your clean square flat brush, we're going to fill in the whole area of your truck with red paint. Paint around your windows and your little door handle. You can switch over to your small round brush to get around the smaller edges around the windows and tires. Now take your round brush, and it's okay if you still have a little bit of red paint on it. Just dip into your black and you're going to start making accents and shadows around your truck. You can refer to the photo reference. Now I painted in the door right here, and I know I got ahead of myself. That's actually part of step 4. You can do it now or wait till step 4. Doesn't really matter. Step 3, using the medium round brush, make sure it's clean, dip it into your dark green and fill the entire tree. Step 4, with the medium round brush, fill in the outside tire with black. Switch to the small round brush with black paint and paint 2 lines for the door and a little rectangle for the handle if you didn't do that earlier. Step 5, using the round medium brush, add light green to the tree. You can do long blobs of paint, or you can use a flicking motion to make it more textured like a real tree. You don't want to completely cover the dark green. You want some peeking out. Step 6, we're going to mix a tiny bit of gray to go in the middle of our tire. With your small brush, add light gray. Step 6, we're going to add gray to the middle of our tire. Take a little bit of white paint and add just a tiny bit of black to it and mix it to make a gray. With the small brush, add light gray to the middle of the tires, just a circle. When the gray is dry, clean your brush, add a little bit of white and make another little circle in the middle of the gray. You can then add a little dash of white above the door handle. Step 7, with your clean round medium brush and white paint, dab on the tree, truck, and anywhere else you want snow. Also using white paint, add highlights to your tires. You can then dip the end of your brush into white paint and dab on little snow dots anywhere you want. Or you can use the tip of your brush, which will give you a less rounded shape. It's up to you. Paint in a few real like snowflakes, which I'm doing here with the crisscross. I'm still adding more snow to the ground area. You can add in some black too for the ground if you'd like a little more contrast. Step 8, with the smallest round brush and black paint, we're going to outline the truck. You may need to add a drop of water to the black paint to make it more fluid. Outline the windows and tires as well. Small, easy brush strokes are the best way to go. And if you have a shaky hand like me, I just brace it with my other hand if needed. I wanted them to be like the rest of the background. All I did was take some white paint and add a dash of blue paint to it to match the background. If you're adding glitter to anything, just make sure your paint is completely dry before you add glitter. And glitter glue is a good option. You can buy that at the craft store. It's just easy. You can use your finger to dab it on.